Hello friends and hello fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to my second haul from the Highway 80 sale. I got so many amazing things. Like I mentioned in the first part, there will be at least 4, maybe 5 different haul videos. We'll just have to see how it goes. But these items I got at the Highway sale. And oh my goodness guys, so I'm showing you a couple things that I'm not selling. Let's see if you can guess what they are. I, once again, had such a fun time. Like I said, met some cool people on the way. I always have fun looking through for treasures, like digging through boxes and things like that. That's where I found some of these pieces. Like I said, I also went to 3 different antique malls when I was traveling as well. Whew, I don't even know where to begin. I'm going to start over here this time. I do want to remind you guys that there will be a sale tonight with Simon Says Let's Make a Deal. It's on her channel. I do have that sale linked on my community page. So I sure hope you can join us. I got these 3 primitive looking Halloween cats. I just thought they were incredible. So I didn't see any tags or anything on them. And I looked them up, and really all I got was primitive cat. So I'm going to have to do a little bit more research on them. But look at them, y'all. They're these 3 black cats. Look at the whiskers. They're so cute. He's got this Happy Halloween sign. Look at all the detail even on the feet. Oh my gosh. They're so stinking cute. Now, not sure if I'm going to offer them for sale now or if I'm going to wait until, September, October for Halloween. I don't know yet. Okay, in front of that is this beautiful piece of antique glass. It has this beautiful Greek key design going all the way around it. This is not amethyst glass, it is true black glass. I did hold it up to the light and it is absolutely beautiful. I love the feet on it. I love the style. It's just a wonderful, wonderful piece. So that'll be coming up. I got this owl, which is probably going into my collection. I don't think I have a soapstone owl like this. And I fell in love with him. I love how his head is tilted. Was there any information on him? There was. I thought there was. Let's see. Soapstone owl, and then it gives his measurements, but look at him. Whoever carved him did such a good job. I love this guy so much. So again, probably a keeper. This one may end up being a keeper as well. I love these shell owls. I did not notice there was a little bit of damage back here. I might try to fix him and offer him for sale, or I might just sell him as is. I don't know yet. I'm still glad I got him, but yeah, he's got some issues. Some of his shells have fallen off. I may have some to repair that. So we'll see. Back here is this amazing cat figurine. So this is porcelain, and it is this orange kitty. It does have little whiskers. Look at this, guys. It is so cute. So this kitty is playing on their back. It is a larger figurine. It's incredible. Then back here I got this very boho, maybe made in India purse. It's really pretty. I loved the purple elephants and I just thought that was super pretty. I am going to go over the jewelry in just a second. Then I got this hand made crochet bear. She is so cute. I just had to get her. Somebody spent a lot of time on her. Back here in the corner is one of the cutest plush I've ever seen. This is a cactus and it's weighted, so it's got beans on the bottom, so it does stand up. I just thought she was super cute. Haven't even looked at the tags yet, but I thought somebody might get a big kick out of her. Then this, I have to admit, when I unwrapped this, my mom said, "You're not selling that, are you?" But I think I am. I'm going to double check with her just to make sure. It is resin. I know it looks wood, but it is still super, super cool. There's so much beautiful detail on this. It's not marked anywhere. I don't know who makes it. It does look to be hand painted. It is a larger piece, and I Love it. Then here I picked this up. It is Jim Shore. This is a stocking holder. Oh, weird, the way the light was reflecting, it looked like there was damage, but there's not. There you go. It's Mary and Joseph and the baby with the angel. Does it have a name? It doesn't. 2010. So anyway, I picked that up. I thought it was really pretty. Don't always get Jim Shore, but something drew me to that. Then back here, this is an old lusterware vase. It's made in Japan. It's got this beautiful, pretty bird, some beautiful flowers. Are they poppies? I don't know. It does say made in Japan. I love the blue. Don't find the blue lusterware as much as I find the orange, so I was happy to get it. I love the handles. This is really cute. Love that. Then in front of it is an amazing crystal perfume bottle. This is made by Shannon Glass. It is crystal, like I just said. It is faceted, and it is absolutely beautiful. So this is quite large. Kind of show it to you a little bit better. It is beautiful. I didn't find any damage on it. Gorgeous. Back here, this is a piece of antique glass. This is Jefferson glass, this little swung base here. And it is green. Now, I did see some glow up here around the top, but I don't really see glow throughout. I don't know, do y'all? Maybe there is more glow. It's kind of hard to see because I've got all the lights on here, but there's definitely some glow there on the top. It's like this quilted pattern, and it is beautiful. I didn't see any damage on it. Again, that one is Jefferson glass. And there is this amazing Mexican pottery piece. It is this kitty giving major side eye, or maybe this kitty is seeing things. I don't know, but it is wonderful. This is an older piece. It is in wonderful condition. Look at the sun. The sun is what got me. I mean, it was a kitty, and I was going to get it anyway. But look at it, and look at her. I believe that's a wedding. A lot of these did depict like villages and special ceremonies and festivals going on, but I just fell in love with this kitty. I love this detail too. Look at that face. I do have to let you guys know there are more cats coming. I found quite a few cats on this trip. Okay, I'm going to start back here. This is a gorgeous, let me zoom in, pearl necklace. It also has shell and it also has crystals. It is beautiful. It's really well made. It's just stunning. Do you hear the rain? We're having storms here today. I hope everyone is safe. I know some of them are going to be severe. Then this is kind of like a liquid gold. It's very malleable. You could, bend it to fit however you want. Bracelet. I just thought this was super cool with these rhinestones. Really pretty, really unique. I had that just sitting on the kitty's leg there. Then up here, this is a gorgeous sterling silver black pearl necklace. It is beautiful. Stunning piece. I love black pearls. Then this is amber. I have not had a chance to test this yet. It does glow like crazy, but I'm not sure that it is sterling, which, does happen. Sometimes these actually come from Russia. Oh, it's not showing very well. I promise you it glows. Okay, putting it on this trinket box helped. So now you can see the glow of the amber. I do believe it is real amber, but again, at this point, I'm not sure if it's sterling or not. I need to test it. It's beautiful regardless. I like the design. I love this pendant style. It's really pretty. It's definitely vintage as well. Then this is a beautiful Sarah Coventry brooch. I have had this brooch before. I think it's really pretty. It is a larger brooch, and it is marked Sarah Cove somewhere on the back here. It's somewhere. There it is up there at the top. Okay, then back here, I got a couple of pendants at one stop, and this is one of them. This is this really cute articulated seahorse. I love how the head moves. Really, really cute. I love the rhinestones and enamel on that. Then back here, this is just a brass, a vintage brass torque bracelet. You know what? It could be very heavily copper. Now that I'm looking at it, I think that is copper. Then I picked up this beautiful Brighton necklace with the 3 butterflies. It does still have its tag, which is pretty cool. So it is brand new. Does it have a price? $38. Wow. Okay, so I also picked up this pendant, which I thought was just so cool. I think this is glass. Look at the face in here. Isn't that cool? BICO. So I'm gonna have to look this one up. I just fell in love with that face. Isn't that fun? Then I got this. So this was supposed to be in my last video and I forgot to show it. This is a kachina. It's a Native American pin or brooch. It is handmade, hand carved, and it's wonderful. I love this so much. I have a hard time selling that one too. I picked up this pair of earrings just because I thought they looked very Victorian. They're really pretty, kind of blacks and purples. So I got those, and this is amazing. I need to look this up. So this is wood. It's a gorgeous wood bracelet, or wood necklace, excuse me. It is very vintage. It is hand painted, and I love it. There was no marking on it, I don't believe. It's in wonderful vintage condition. Can you hear those storms? Yeah, it's crazy out there. Okay, then I picked up these clips because they were just too beautiful to pass up. I think these are pansies, and they are not marked, I don't think. Yeah, no marking on them, but they're in wonderful condition, and they're so pretty. Aren't those pretty? Then I got a pair of these check earrings with AB coating. I always will get these if they're a good price. There's no marking on them. These are older, as you can see. Then these are just some stud post-back earrings. I thought they were really pretty with the rhinestones and the blue. They're kind of deco looking, but obviously they're contemporary. Then this is something I bought for myself. I did pay up for this at one of the antique malls. This is an incredible piece. I think it's from Mexico. It is copper and it is wonderful. Look at the inside too, guys. I love this design. I need to look it up and find out what the symbology is of this because I don't know, but I want to find out. Then I got this. Who remembers these family photo albums? So this one is in brand new condition. I always love it when I see that. These are precious photos. So anyway, wow. We may lose power. These precious photos are my valued treasures. If lost, return to where you would put your name and address. I love this so much, and it just closes right here. Look at the condition, guys. This is in wonderful, wonderful condition. So back here are 2 things that I'm keeping. The first is this amazing copper and enamel bangle cuff bracelet. There we go. It's got this really cool leaf design. I love the red. This is something that I collect, so I had to pick this one up for me, as well as this amazing Thunderbird necklace. So this is, I think it's Bell. Is it Bell? Yeah. So this is from Bell Trading Company, and it is this amazing Thunderbird. I love the chain as well, but look at him. He is so, so cool. Now there is a copper piece that I'm selling, believe it or not, and it is this really cool copper heart pendant. I love the dangle. It's so sweet. Try to zoom in a little bit. Isn't that sweet? But yeah, I don't collect hearts, so I thought I would definitely offer that one up. Then this is really fun. So this is Asian, and I'm gonna have to look it up because I'm not quite sure what it says. But I just thought this was a really cool, very boho necklace. I don't know. I just thought it was super cool. Wait, there's a tag. There's a tag? Can we find it again? There it is. Does anyone know who it is? Let's see here. Bear, San Francisco. You know what? I've had something by this company before. I believe it's a pretty good, pretty well-known costume jewelry company. So if you know, let me know. But I just thought this was really cool. I like the design of it a lot. Really fun. It is vintage. Okay, just making sure I got to everything. Again, there will be other installments of this. Let me zoom back out. Let me know what your favorite item is, as usual. Hopefully, I will still have power in a few hours in time for the sale, but they're predicting bad weather all day. If you're in the line of these storms, like Roxana and Randy, you guys better stay safe. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.